I really want to suggest a small thing that you need to start your process. We need to get offer letter, then you try for education loan. So bank people has become smart actually nowadays. They're taking sureties, if not guarantees. All these things will be coming into picture. Instead of 15 days of time, it will take 1.5 month of time, 2 months of time. Finally, student will fed out. Okay, sir, don't want loan. I'll sit down in India.
So let's get straight into the topic. So now I understood about this application process and offer letters and all.
Yes.
But the main question which many of has in their mind is loan.
Yes, it's loan.
So I have got my offer, I have got my universities, everything I have got correct.
Yes.
But how to apply or how to go about education loan?
Yes, it's an important point actually. By the way, many students will be looking after it because some people who don't have a financial background, especially like funds, liquid funds, they don't have actually. They'll be going for the loan because they can pay in EMIs slowly, like 10,000 EMI per month. They can go for it. A very easy method actually to study in abroad and earning a money over there and getting that money to the loan people is very good point actually. So a loan process actually depends. Here important role being played by the bank people.
Okay.
So bank people need to understand the requirement of the student, and bank people has to understand whether this guy or girl is going to pay the repay the money or not. So bank will completely play this important role in this actually. If you are applying for education loan, then bank people will ask you first of all which country you are going. First question is which country you are going. Okay, you want to study abroad, I understand. Which country you are going?
Okay, I'm going to UK.
Yes, going to UK, fine. They said okay, fine, no problem. Because bank people doesn't have any issue with the UK or USA or anything. They're ready to give the loan actually. That is what the profit actually for the bank people. And second thing is actually which one, masters or bachelors, level of the program actually it is. And third is actually how much of fees is there for university, and living expenses, what you are expecting, and what is your surety point of view. Okay. Especially. So this is a very important point. Surety or collateral, non-collateral, anything is comes under education only. But what is your surety? Because one of the bank person actually shared the information with me what actually bank people are facing after giving loan or before giving loan actually. One girl is there, she went to UK itself actually on a surety of his grandfather. Okay. Because his mother and father is not there actually, they are expired. So she has kept a surety of his grandfather. He's almost 65 or 70 age actually. So bank people has been taken a surety of him because he's a retired employee. Almost he's getting 40 to 50,000 rupees as his government retired employee. He's getting that amount actually. So on the basis of him and property, they have given education loan of almost 30 lakh rupee. And she went for a UK and she's studying over there. Loan almost all money has disbursed, and she took that money actually. She paid amount to the university. Everything is fine. But unfortunately, like it's a bad luck, the grandfather was expired actually.
Okay.
So what happened, actually bank people can't able to recover that money because loan has been paid by grandfather every monthly.
Yes.
Daughter is not paying actually. Like so bank people doesn't have any option actually. Tried to contact student, but student is not in contact. Obviously, she will change their number actually. Yeah. So bank people is helpless. To whom should I contact? Because they didn't take any property from his grandfather. They did take a surety of sign. That's it. But unfortunately, he was died actually. So bank people was in a dilemma. So almost 25 to 30 lakhs they are in loss, right or not?
Yes.
So bank people has become smart actually nowadays. They're taking sureties, if not guarantees. All these things will be coming into picture.
Okay.
So if a person, me or you, we are going for UK actually. So bank will say, okay, you will go into UK, I will sponsor you, I will give you money loan. But who's your surety? That person has to be there in India, not in another country.
Okay.
If the person is surety, then who is he? How relationship with the student directly? Is he cousin brother or some father's brother's son, or where it is related actually? That is very important actually. If it is a close related, then bank people will consider the surety and then they'll give the education loan. If not, father or mother, anything is fine actually. What is his father doing, what is mother's doing, what is their annual income actually. So we need to provide the proof actually, saying that my father is an employee in so and so company, he'll be getting almost 45 to 50,000 rupees per month, and per annum it is almost 7 lakhs of package he is getting. Every month he is working since almost 15 years he is working, or 10 years he is working in so and so company. This is the pay slips, this is form 16. All these documents has to be provided to the bank people actually, so that bank people will thoroughly check, and they will check whether it is genuine or not, all these things, and then they'll give the loan.
Okay.
This is the one point. So surety is there. Second is that collateral is something actually that if a father is the not employed actually, he is having own business or agriculture related thing actually, then bank people will be asking for any land documents or assets. For example, a guy is there who have an agriculture of 3 acres in their hometown, they will consider it actually, and considering it, and they'll give the loan, education loan, but it is called collateral loan. Non-collateral is something that actually they won't take anything like assets, they take a surety, which I said in the first of all, it is non-collateral loan.
Okay.
So most of the students will go for non-collateral loan. They don't want to put their assets in the risk actually. Of course they will pay the money actually, EMIs, but on a safer side they'll think, sir, will I get non-collateral loan, because collateral, we don't have that much of assets, we don't have own house, we don't have plots, land on that way, we just have agricultural land. If any bank is ready for the agricultural land, I'm ready for it. But bank people doesn't consider agriculture, because it's again an issue with the government of India, Telangana government, taking agriculture land into consideration. If student can't able to pay the money, they can't able to say that agriculture land to anybody else, and it will be issue again. So that is the reason actually bank people will ask you, who's your surety first of all. If we can't able to prove our surety, then they'll ask you for the collateral loan, any land, any asset, it is fine. Even for example, you're going, your sister is surety, then it is fine for him.
But sister has to stay in India.
Exactly. Because if she's earning money, they want to see right whether she's earning her money or not. In abroad, we can't able to again catch her. If something has happened, bank people will come and catch you.
Yes.
They can't catch the student actually, who are there in UK. Moreover, person who is going for education loan, I really want to suggest a small thing, that you need to start your process, we need to get offer letter, then you try for education loan.
After getting offer
letter. Because before getting offer letter, if you consider any bank people won't consider you that much actually, very important guy in that way. Because if you have a loan, then bank people will consider your query, and they'll try to solve your query, and they'll try to give the education loan to you. If you didn't got an offer letter, if you go to the bank will say, first you get an offer letter, we'll see once.
They don't take you seriously.
Yes, exactly. And one more thing actually, if a person want to go for education loan, try to get offer letter soon, and then try for education loan. Because education loan is not so simple as we think. Some people will say, don't worry sir, if you get an offer letter, I'll give you within 15 days. But after getting offer letter, then they'll ask you a number of questions where student can't able to answer the questions, and student can't able to provide the sufficient documents to the bank people, then it will take longer time.
Okay.
Instead of 15 days of time, it will take 1.5 months of time, 2 months of time. Finally, student will fed out, okay sir, don't want loan, I'll sit down in India itself. So what I mean to say is, if a person want to go for education loan, try to apply soon to the university, get offer letter, then you try for education loan. It will take 1.5 months, 2 months of time, it is okay, fine. University won't pressure you like anything, pay money in that way. And deadlines will be there, no problem. So if you are applying for loan, I suggest you guys, apply soon, get offer letter, and roam around the banks.
So I just wanted to know, in offer letter there will be an payment of advance clause.
Yes.
So should I have to pay the advance first and then go for the loan, or
no?
Should I have to get the loan first and then pay the advance? What do you suggest?
See, I suggest actually after getting condition offer also with LORs, which I said you, and SOPs, you can go with education loan.
Okay.
You can go with education loan. See, the thing is what, education loan, they just require a sanction letter.
Okay.
That is fine for them. Doesn't require to disburse the all amount actually. Just sanction letter is fine.
Okay.
By the university. But if you want to utilize the funds of loan, in the loan actually, to pay a deposit amount, like 3,000 pounds or 4,000 pounds, then you need to ask your bank manager or bank people to disburse the amount of 4 lakh rupee and directly pay to the university.
Okay.
So after getting condition offer, you can directly consult the bank people saying that I required education loan. Definitely bank people will take you seriously, and then they'll start processing your education loan.
So I have one silly question. Can I study in UK for free? Is there any fully funded scholarship? And as this video is brought to you by VmapU, your trusted partner in realizing overseas dreams since 2009. With expert counseling, personalized guidance, visa assistance and more. They have helped around 1.5 lakh students achieve their international dreams. Whether it's pursuing MS in USA, MBA in UK or in any other country. Contact VmapU by clicking on the link below. Register yourself by entering name, email ID and phone number, and they will call you back within 24 hours to guide and turn your aspirations into reality. And VmapU also offers free SOP maker, free LOR maker and free university shortlisting tool as well. Make sure to explore these. Thank you.